Pause for a moment. This is not advice. This is a mirror. The mind is constantly moving. Thoughts, ideas, emotions, reactions. And somewhere along the way, we began to treat every thought as important. Every idea needs attention. Every emotion needs expression. Every situation needs a response. And slowly, the mind becomes noisy. Clarity does not come from controlling thoughts. It comes from selecting them. Not every thought deserves your energy. Not every emotion needs your reaction. Imagine sitting by a busy road, cars passing constantly. You don't chase them, you observe. Your thoughts are no different. Next time a thought arises, pause. Ask, does this deserve my attention? That one question can bring silence into your life. Stay aware, because awareness quietly changes everything.